Today I'm Anil Sai. Today my presentation is on Hero MotoCorp. Contents are industry profile, history, vision, mission, and core values. About the company, products of the company, competitors, BCG matrix, marketing mix, awards and recognitions, strategies employed by the company, CSR activities, and recent happenings. Industry profile. The type of the company was public and the industry was uh, uh, automotive, and the founder was um, Brinj Mohan Lal Munjal, and founded in January 1984. Headquarters is New Delhi, and the MD and chairman is Dr. Pawan Munjal. Employees was 8,554. The history of the Hero Motors, originally known as Hero Honda Motors Limited, it was an amalgamation of Hero and Indian company and the Honda Japanese company for 26 years agreement from 1984 to 2010. Here, Hero was the world largest manufacturer of two-wheelers since 2001. Hero Cycles was founded in 1956 in Ludhiana, Punjab, by Munjal Bros. In 1975, Hero Cycles was the largest manufacturer of bicycles in India. An agreement of collaboration and formation of joint venture was signed between the Hero and the Honda company in 1983. The vision was the vision of the mobile and empowered India powered by its bikes. The Hero Motorcorp wanted to uh, bring a new identity and reflects its commitment towards providing world-class mobility solutions to its customers and focus on expanding company's footprint in global arena. Mission to become a global enterprise, fulfilling its customers' needs and aspirations for mobility, setting benchmarks in technology, styling, and quality. The company will be providing an engaging environment for its people to perform their true potential. It will be continuous. It focus on the value creation. The competitors are TVS, Bajaj, Honda, Yamaha, Suzuki, and Royal Enfield, Harley Davidson. These are the competitors. There is a tough competition between these companies for providing two-wheeler bikes uh, to the public in India. Coming to the BCG matrix, Splendor series, Passion series, Karishma was the star performers uh, with a high market share and a high growth. CD Deluxe, CD Hundreds, and CD One was a cash cows with a high growth but not market share. Hunk CBG at Extreme Pleasure was the question marks with a high market share but not growth. Achiever Glamour Ambition was a no growth, no market share. Coming to the five voters, the threat from the substitute products continues to be low because there was a low public transportation, and the substitutes will have their own identity. So the substitutes, the threat of substitutes is low, and the bargaining power of suppliers is low because specialized suppliers will be for a specific segment. So the bargaining power of suppliers are low com- compared to other sectors. Competitive rivalry is high because the competition has turned more intensive after entering into the foreign players into the country after 1991, where foreign countries are allowed to do business in India. The competition has been arised, and there was a competitive rivalry. So the Hero company is trying to provide a best and mobile vehicles with a reasonable prices. Bargaining power of buyers is more because there was a lot of other companies which are providing with their own identity and design and quality. So the power of bargaining buyers are more compared to other sectors. Threat of new entity uh, is medium because it is a capital intensive. There is a huge need of capital compared to other sectors. So the threat of new entities is moderate compared to other sectors. Uh, Marketing mix product. It has a very huge diversified product. It is providing different types of models with the different types of designs with the buyers buying capacity. They are providing different types of vehicles with the different types of designs. Prices will be value added pricing policies are there with the hero company with as I said, there is a middle class public more in this India. So value added pricing policies is taken by the hero company to provide best vehicles to the public with a competitive pricing strategy. Plus, it has a good distribution network with a 6,000 dealerships at the most of the service points, and it has also expanded its services to the rural areas to provide services to its customers with a strategic places. Promotions are made by the different campaigns and television advertisements, and the social media advertisements are started from now. Products are as I said, there is a huge diversified product portfolio with different types of designs and quality and different types of prices based on the buying capacity of the customer. These are the some of the products which are provided by the hero company. Dr. Pawan, coming to awards, Dr. Pawan Munjal was presented with a Special Achievement Award for outstanding contribution to the Golf Asia by the Asian Tour. Hero Motorcorp CMD Pawan Munjal being conferred an honorary doctorate by his Amla Matter, the National Institute of Technology, Kurukshetra, on the 16th convocation of the institute. Strategy. The strategy was explore growth opportunities globally and continuously improve its operational efficiency, aggressively expand its reach to customers, and continue to invest in the brand building and ensure customer shareholders delight. Recent happenings. The company will release a motorcycle in a national capital region within a few days with a three colors techno blue black, which is providing a reasonable with a reasonable price to its customers to provide a best vehicle. Hero Motorcorp sales dipped to 18% in October uh, 2019, where because of the economic slump uh, in automobile sector, this sales has been declined. Net Coming to the financial report of the Hero company, net sales was decreased in 2020 compared to two other years like 2019 and 18. There was a huge decrease because of COVID situation and COVID situation and the economic slump as before 2019 and 18. There was a slump in the automotive sector. Operating profit was decreased in 2020 and it was 5,806.01 in 2018. It has decreased 5,413.67 in 2020 because the operations are let down because of COVID. It has created huge loss in India as well as in the world. Profit after tax has been also uh, 3,697 in 2018, and it has increased in 2019. Then it has decreased in 2019, and it has recovered in 2020. Net profit, operating profit margin has increased in 18.77 in 2020 compared to other years. Net profit margin, which has been to 12.60, has also increased compared to other 2 years. Earnings per share has been increased in 2020 compared to 2019. And 18 it was 185.15. Integrated rural CSR, coming to CSR activities, it has provided many services. CSR activities are conducted like providing rural health care and borewells, roads and drainage to primary schools, and vocational training for unemployed youth to provide skills development, and adult literacy mission uh, to provide literacy to the rural in a rural area. It has created adult literacy mission uh, uh, for the rural development of the country. Thank you.